Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Gonna do a quick walk around followed by an operational video on this Barreto 30SG stump grinder that just came in and we're putting up for sale. Do a walk around, kind of get up close to stuff so you can kind of see overall condition pretty closely, and then of course, like I said, we'll fire it up and show you that everything engages like it's supposed to and everything works like it's supposed to. It drives forward and backwards and turns strong to both directions. So this one is powered by the 31 horsepower Briggs and Stratton gas engine. Get up close here. Everything looks pretty nice up here. No cracks or welds or anything up by the head. This one does have the shield still intact. It flips out, so when you're just lifts up, flips over. That way once you're grinding, you can be off to the side and you'll be able to see pretty good where you're doing. Both the tracks are in good shape. Get up kind of close to those. Plenty of tread life left in them, and no big cracks or tears in those. Sprockets are good. This one has 1,103 hours. We'll get up here close, show you the controls. Here's your forward and reverse. Each track is independent. And your controls for the cutter head. All right, we'll get right into an operational video.